Hey guys, welcome to Mr. King Gamer Coder channel guys. So guys, in this video, we are now gonna play Granny Chapter 2 in hard mode guys. So let's get started guys. So I have started guys. Okay, I opened with dark mode I kept guys. Yeah guys, we kept it dark mode. Yeah, go slowly yaar. Oh, wait, go take the pot guys. Go fastly, go fastly. Ah, yeah. Oh guys, they are coming guys. Oi! They're coming. Okay. I'm there for you, Shian. I'll help you. Go little. Okay, little. Okay, little. I kept even with special locks, guys. Oh guys, Grandpa saw me.
Want to play hide and seek?
Okay guys, I came here guys. What have to do here? Okay. I made some. Guys, it's very tough guys. In hard mode I kept with extra locks guys. Oh guys, hey, what you are doing here? 30 seconds, I am gone. Grandpa is gone for 30 seconds. Now Granny is gonna come guys. Okay, helicopter escape I'm doing guys. I'll go fastly up guys. Okay, in 15 minutes. In 15 minutes guys, I have to complete this hard mode guys. Very tough guys. Guys. Oh, Granny will come here. I have to go that side. Oh, Grandpa is alive. Okay guys. I need a crowbar. Yes guys. I think 2 people will come there guys. Oh, Granny and Grandpa came off guys. Okay guys, Granny is going. Oh. Yes guys. Boat is gone for 30 seconds guys. Okay, I have to go very fastly guys. Hey, fast jao guys. Yes guys, duct tape also I got guys. Okay, 30 seconds guys. Okay, I will take this duct tape and drop there guys. Okay, I'll take this stun gun guys. Oh guys, I closed this door. Hey, wait. Yeah guys, I dropped over there. No, Granny or Grandpa, I don't know guys. They both will be alive guys, I think. Yes guys, close this door. Both are coming guys, I think. Okay guys, Granny only came guys. Here I made sound guys. Fastly shoot Granny. Okay, shoot. Ah guys. 30 seconds, Granny is gone guys. Ah guys. Okay guys, I'll go down. Oh yes guys, I got gasoline can. Open fastly guys. 30 seconds timer is there guys for me. The 30 seconds Granny will get spotted on guys. Guys, I'll take gasoline can I dropped guys. I close this door here. Okay guys, I got stun gun ammo guys. Hey, Grandpa is not alive, huh? 30 seconds is over means guys. Okay guys, I got totally 3 things here. I need 2 pieces of pictures here. Duct tape here. Hey, go yaar. Yaar, I'm totally like saved here. Okay. In hard mode I can't shoot like that in that places like that guys. Okay. Now again I'm gonna make sound here guys. Now Granny come. Come. I'm about almost saved guys. I see you guys. Guys, this is too much hard here. Hard mode is originally like hard mode only guys. Okay, is there something guys? I get fastly at the piece of... Yeah guys, I got fastly. How I can do speed run guys? I don't have any extra option to do any speed run guys. Okay, very... Hey, go very fast. Mentally are only you. Okay, close the door here. Okay, Shian, cool down here. Cool down. Yaar. I think Grandpa or Granny may be alive here. Throw the pot here. What you're saying? Hey, go fast. Yaar, I went fast. I went fast. No, if Granny comes here means in normal mode and easy mode why I'm doing like because they'll come slow. In hard mode Grandpa will also come very fast, then I will die guys. Go on kiss guys. Yeah guys. Come. Get shot guys. Guys, even Grandpa also died guys. Finally. Oh, nothing is there guys. I got 2 pieces of picture guys. This is glass fuse guys. Take glass fuse and drop it upside guys. Oh guys, many sounds I made guys. I got gun also guys. Okay guys, no one is there here. Drop this here guys. Wait. Throw now guys. Go this side guys. I see from that corner guys. Granny is coming or not, you can see. See on that corner guys. Oh, coming. Footsteps are coming. Oh, Granny and Grandpa came off guys. Oh, throw guys. Okay guys, we no need to shoot. So Granny is going guys. Oh, Grandpa is not there no guys. Yes guys, I came very fastly. Grandpa also should come guys. I thought Grandpa didn't come. No guys, Granny come. Oh, Granny came guys. Okay, there you are. Stop telling there you are, Grandpa. Okay, I need last piece of picture guys. Now I'll open the shortcut guys. Oh shit guys. Okay, again I can't close it. For shortcut only I have to go guys. Okay guys, I'll take this piece of picture and throw guys. Okay, I'll go up guys. Hey, go up no guys. What this is watching guys. Okay, I took the stun gun guys. What you're doing totally, Shriyan? Wait yaar. Gasoline can also I'll drop. Wait. I'll take this piece of picture also and throw that guy. And finally I need helicopter key yaar. I'll set all these pictures. Yeah. Yes. Something is missing. I got my helicopter manual also guys. Yes guys. I took this piece of picture also guys. Now set it over here. Fast. Granny may be alive yaar. Helicopter key finally I didn't get guys. Okay guys. I can open this guys. With stun gun only I will shoot everything guys. Okay guys, I'll open this door. Okay, guys. I'll shoot down, guys. Down is finished, guys. First one. Okay. Fast, yaar. Another one is also there, guys. Yes, guys. That is also finished, guys. I need glass fuse, guys, now. After glass fuse, I need helicopter key. Finally, yaar. How to get it, yaar? My gun is down, guys. Set, yaar. Ayo, set. Ah, guys. I set, yeah. Okay, guys. I'll take this duct tape, guys. Okay, fit it over here, guys. For helicopter key, I don't have that much time, guys. In 15 minutes, I have to complete, guys. That's why, guys. Know how to take this gasoline gun fastly, guys, and refill over here, guys. Okay, guys, it's refilling. Okay. Happen fastly, happen. Okay. Be cool. Now, finally, we need helicopter key here. Yeah, guys, here helicopter key I got, guys. Yeah. Finally, guys, if you want, I'll show the output, guys, how I won, guys. Okay, guys. I will show the granny and grandpa photo, guys. That's it. Why you didn't able to see that granny and grandpa's? No, guys, that is in full dark, guys. Because of the dark, you are not able to see, guys. And guys, I'll see how much minutes. Oh, 11 minutes, guys. Still 11 minutes. Now 12 minutes, guys. Okay, guys. Down of 15 minutes, I have completed hard mode, guys. So please make sure like and subscribe to my channel, guys. And don't miss to click on the bell icon to receive all my notifications, guys. And I showed you. Finally, I completed helicopter escape hard mode granny chapter 2, guys. So bye, guys.